Hello, my name is Maribeth Goodnight, and I'm an IRB specialist in the Office of Research Integrity and Outreach. During this video, we will be discussing how to create new submissions. Before we review how to create new submissions in Cayuse, let's talk a little about submissions. What is a submission? Submissions refer to all requests submitted to our office, including initial applications, modifications, renewals, incident reports, and study closures. When can these submissions be created? The initial application can be created at any time. The other submissions can be created once the initial application has been approved. In order to submit the initial application, you must first create a new study. The study is the overall research project, and the submissions are the individual requests for the project. This slide provides a visual of how the study differs from the submissions. The study is the research project, and the submissions are the requests for that project. This example includes 3 submissions: the initial application, the modification, and a renewal request. Now we will review how to create new submissions in Cayuse. To create the initial submission, you will first need to create the study in Cayuse. You can click on the blue New Study button, enter the study title, and click on the blue check mark. Now your study has been created and you can begin the initial submission. You'll click on New Submission and click Initial. You will click on the Edit button to begin the submission process. Once the initial submission has been approved, you can create submissions by clicking on the New Submission button and selecting the appropriate option. The options are Renewal, Modification, Incident, and Study Closure. Once you select the submission, you will then click on the Edit button to submit this request. Just kidding. Ignore that part. We're going to start over. Hold on. Once the initial submission has been approved, you can create submissions by clicking on the New Submission button. The options are Renewal, Modification, Incident, and Closure. Once you click on one of those options, you can then click on the Edit button to begin that submission. You can follow these steps when creating each new submission. Thank you for joining us today to discuss how to create new submissions.